See, one fundamental point that I strongly believe in from my readings and from what I've seen, our generation, I'm 60 plus now, so our our kind of people, look, life was largely, I'm not saying that learning stops, was largely about a certain phase. I don't want to bring in time and age. I don't know, whatever, 28, 30, 26, 32, whatever, life was largely divided into two time zones. There was a time zone when you learned. That time zone was you learned formally. You went to school. You learned some things, and then you were given formal education, and then for whatever it's worth, you were given. It could be science, it could be art, it could be engineering, it could be medicine. And then you spent a certain period soon after that basic formal learning where you did, where you kind of reconnected with what was formally given to you. You learned some things, you picked up some skills of doing it yourself. Then some things you de-learned. What you were told was, yes, that's theoretical, but practically this is how it is different, blah blah blah, that. And there was a second phase where, based on what you learned, I'm not saying that the learning stopped. For those people whose learning stopped, then their experience was 1 year multiplied by the number of years that they worked, or they were entrepreneurs, or whatever. Okay. So it was a phase of a time of learning, a time of acquiring skills, and a time of using what you have learned and what those skills, adapting it to the situation, learning hacks, learning tricks, learning how to suit it, and your life as a professional, whatever, 60 years or whatever, got over. Today, for the people who are beginning their careers, entire professions are going to be disrupted. So this business of learning, people who are beginning their careers today, my children, my son, many of our children, people who are listening to this, now if they don't reinvent themselves, now what is that time? 3 year, 5 year, 2 year, all of that depends on their specific fields. Now, this is what we've been seeing even in the IT sector. You have languages, the languages change overnight, and now not just the IT sector, not just for coding, even when it comes to anything that a managerial kind of a thing does, if it's based on logic, with the developments that are happening in AI, you know, anything that needs logic, anything that needs data, anything that needs application of data and logics, slowly but surely, over a period of time, it may not happen today, but in 5 years from now, 8 years from now, 10 years, I'm talking of a horizon of the next 30, 40 years, there are going to be major disruptions from a human perspective